we have a 3 billion, more than the 10 billion, and that can be used for that, but it should be passed in the General Appropriations Act to be spent as cash assistance to the farmers. That is the provision of the law. And I don't think that the rice did not go down, because the inflation rate right now is 2.5%. That was 5% when the rice prices was at its peak. So how come our inflation rate has gone down if there's no decrease in the prices of rice? That's impossible. So maybe that's bad press release, fake news, yung sinasabi nila na hindi bumaba ang rice.